Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for days of old lang syne.
Hi everyone, and welcome to the next episode of Tasting the Decades. Today we are making 1908 berry pudding. Berry pudding. Take 2 eggs well beaten.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old
1 cup of sweet milk.
acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne,
2 teaspoonfuls of baking powder.
we'll talk a cup of kindness
Mix with flour enough to make a stiff batter.
days of old lang syne. And here's my trusty friend, and jizz
And as many berries, raspberries, blackberries, or cherries, as can be stirred into the batter.
kindness yet for old lang syne. For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. Should old acquaintance be forgot
Bake half an hour and serve with sugar and milk.
mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne,
Sister Emma G. writes, Friedan's, Pennsylvania.
kindness yet for old lang syne. For old lang syne.
Okay, let's try it. I'm really excited. It smells so good. Get some of the blueberry. Look how pretty that is. It's like, it doesn't look as pretty on camera, but it's really pretty purple. Ah. So this is like perfect for breakfast because I don't like super sweet breakfast. And this is like not a savory breakfast, but it's not really sweet because there is no sugar in it except for the berries, and you just sprinkle the sugar. So this is really good. It tastes like a blueberry muffin, but I'd say, or not a blueberry muffin, like a berry muffin. He says raspberries and blackberries and blueberries. So it tastes like a muffin. It's not as sweet as most of our muffins now, but it's really good. And then you have the cream on there, which is really yummy. And another way you could do this too, to change it up a little bit, is you could even do like a whipped cream. It said to serve with milk on top. Since we only had canned milk, I decided to just use cream instead. But you put the sugar on there and most of it melts because it's hot, but it's really good. Definitely recommend. Let me know what you think if you make this. It only took 15 minutes to make, and then baking took about 45 minutes. My oven wasn't hot enough though, so it probably took about half an hour to bake. And you have a relatively fast breakfast. So it's a pretty fast breakfast, and it feels very special and fancy without having to put much effort into it. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!